In this video, we'll solve a few systems of linear equations in two variables using substitution method. So let's take a look at this example. Solve the system by using the substitution method. Negative 5x minus 4y equals 2 and 4x plus y equals 5. So let's write the system again. Here. Minus 5x minus 4y equals 2 and 4x plus y equals 5. And we want substitution. Well, what does it mean, substitution? Well, to substitute means to replace. So let's take, for example, the second equation. And let's solve for y. Let's get y by itself. So that means we subtract 4x from both sides, and we get minus 4x plus 5. And now, I'm going to take this y here, right, this y that equals negative 4x plus 5, and I'm going to replace it in the first equation. So what is the first equation going to become? Minus 5x minus 4 times, and instead of y, right, I'm going to put minus 4x plus 5 equals 2. So from these two equations, 1 and 2, I ended up with only one linear equation, and we get minus 5x plus 16x minus 20 equals 2. If we add like terms, this is a linear equation. So 11x equals 22, divide by 11, and we get x equals 2. Now we go with the x in this equation, and we say y equals negative 4 times 2 plus 5. So y equals negative 8 plus 5, order of operation with the multiplication first, and y equals negative 3. So the solution is the pair 2, negative 3. And you can replace x and y in both equations to see if you get the same, if you get something true. Let's solve one more system of equations using substitution. So let's say we have y equals 2 over 3x minus 1 and y equals 1 over 6x plus 2. Because they are already in this format, I'm going to take this y from here, y equals 1 over 6x plus 2, and I'm going to replace it instead of this y. So what does that become? 1 over 6x plus 2 equals 2 over 3x minus 1, right? So if y equals two different things, those two different things have to equal to each other. So I ended up with a linear equation with fractions. So if we remember, we multiply by LCD. So the LCD of 3 and 6 is 6. So I'm going to multiply each of these equations by 6. So 6 times 1 over 6, it's 1, so we get x, plus 6 times 2 is 12. 2 over 3 times 6, that's 4x, and then minus 6. So I'm going to move this x on this side and the number on this side, so we get 18 equals 3x. If we divide by 3, we get that x equals 6. And now we replace x in any of these two equations from here. So we get, let's replace x equals 6 into equation 1. So we get y equals 2 over 3 times 6 minus 1. So y equals 2 over 3 times 6 over 1, that's 12 over 3, which is 4 minus 1. Y equals 3. So the solution is the pair 6, 3. And again, if we replace x with 6 here, we get 4 minus 1, we get 3. So y equals 3, that's correct. If we replace x with 6 in the second one, we get 6 times 1 over 6, that's 1, plus 2, it's 3 again. So it does satisfy the equation. I hope this helps.